welcome to a new transfer tutorial on this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer crypto from your Binance account to your Bitvavo account. I already uploaded the video in Dutch, so for the Dutch people I will put a link in the description. So there are a few steps you need to follow, so we'll start with the first step. First, you need to go to the bottom right of the screen and click on Wallets. So we want to send all our XRP, aka Ripple, to our Bitvavo account. So first you click on Withdraw. Then we will enter XRP. Then we select Send via Crypto Network. And here we need to enter an address. The address you can find in the Bitvavo app. So first we go there. First of all, we'll search for XRP. And here on the top right, you see those dots, you select them. And here you can tap on Deposit XRP. Select the mainnet, understood. And here you can copy the address. So we will copy the address and then go back to the Binance app and paste it here. We selected the Ripple mainnet network on the Bitvavo app, so we'll do that here the same. And we will confirm it. And here we need a tag. So you copy the tag from the Bitvavo app and you paste it right back into the Binance app. We want to send all our XRP to Bitvavo, so we select Max. And now you get a verification steps. It works for all of us basically the same, so I will skip that and I'll see you in the next step. As you can see, my verification steps are completed and the withdrawal is processing. Now it takes like 5 to 10 minutes to transfer all the crypto. Depends on what coin you transferred. So I'll see you in the next step. As you can see, all the crypto has been successfully transferred to my Bitvavo account. It took about 5 minutes and this is the end of the video. If you liked the video, please leave a like, and if you have any questions you can always ask them in the comments and we will respond as soon as possible. Good luck and until the next one.